Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about battery-powered tools. Now I've talked about hand tools and other tools like that, but battery-powered tools, because sometimes you need something that's battery-powered or electrically powered that you pulls the trigger and it works. But if the power is out, you're going to need battery-powered tools. And someone's going, well, the power's out, how are you going to charge it up? Well, if you have your batteries all charged up all the time, you're going to have quite a while of work time before those run out. Also, if you get those little solar panels and you hooked up to run the charger, you can recharge your batteries for your battery-powered tools from the sun. But battery-powered tools, when they first came out, I was like, these things aren't going to have much power, they're not going to do anything. Well, as time has progressed, they've gotten stronger and better, and there's some really great ones out there right now. And I've been using them for, about 20 some odd years, almost 30 years now. So battery powered tools are viable. They are necessary sometimes as being the only thing that'll work. And they just make life easier when you're trying to put certain things in. I hate sitting there trying to put screws in when I can just take the little things and go and get it in quick. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month, maybe 2. Also, plant an indoor garden. If you can grow stuff indoors, it's going to have less pollution on it than stuff outdoors, especially if you're in the city. And plants absorb carbon dioxide and give off oxygen, which is good for you. So learn to grow stuff indoors. Next year we're doing an indoor garden challenge, and we're going to be having prizes given away on it. So now's the time to experiment and learn and develop the skill of indoor gardening, so you have a chance of winning some of those prizes next year. And in any case, if you enter or not, learn to grow food indoors.